It's a crappy job, but somebody's got to do it. Time to dump the black tank.
Do not drink the water, Kenny.
Thought about filling our fresh water with this.
Mmm.
Yeah.
So what are you doing?
Well, because ours has this fancy little shower head inside the black tank, which a lot of the trailers have nowadays. And that just helps break up any crusties that you might have hanging around in your tank. So I'm just going to hook that up to our black tank flush.
I was going to come stand over there, but then I would be standing in the dump station.
Now, ours, I need to buy one of those little water hose gaskets for, because you'll notice when I turn the water on, it leaks out of that. It's not a huge deal. That's just fresh water coming out of there.
Unlike Kenny, make sure you use gloves.
I got gloves in there. I figure I'll wash my hands with or without gloves. And this little guy, I use this just so I can see when we're clear, because I like to know that my tank's clean. You don't have to use that. You can just tie right onto it.
And we won't show you that part. And that's it, right?
That is it. Now I'll put the water on for our shower head. We'll let it do its thing. And always do your black first and then your gray. Not that it makes a huge difference, but at least then you've got clean water flushing out your hose coming out of that gray tank instead of poop water. Alright, so now you can see why I have this clear little elbow here. Now I can see that there's just a little bit left in the tank. I'm going to let it run a little bit longer, but you can also see that it's clear, so I can shut off our tank flush, let that clear out. Once that's done, I'll go ahead and close the black tank valve, open up the gray tank valve, and we'll be done. We'll get on the road.